Welcome back to another tutorial for the Windrose game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable auto-target lock-on within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Windrose on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, during your gameplay, you can press the Alt button to aim your weapon. However, if you wish your aim to auto-lock on to your enemies, then you will need to turn this option within the settings. Just press the Escape button to pause your game. And now go ahead and click on Settings. From the Settings page, make sure that you are within the Gameplay tab. Then within the Other section, you will find Toggle Auto Lock On. By default, this is set to off. So click on the On button to toggle it on, which will automatically lock your target to a newer target once you have gotten rid of the previous one. Now to apply your changes, click on the Apply option at the bottom section or press the Enter key. Once your changes have been applied, you can press the Escape button and go back into your game. After this point on, your target settings have been set so that it will automatically lock on to the next target. You can change this setting at any point of time in the future by following the same steps. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to automatically lock on to your targets on the Windrose game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.